The Haylou W1s have been my go-to earbud for the past couple of weeks now, and I know I made my first impressions some weeks ago and it has taken a long time to come out with my final review, but this has given me ample time to come and spit out what I think about the Haylou W1 earbuds. I'm DELPPY and welcome to Bytes Unlocked. The Haylou W1s have been my go-to earbuds for the past couple of weeks now. They are an amazing pair of earbuds, but just like every earbud, there's a pro and there's a con. But first off, let's start with the build. This device comes in a puffy case and a pair of earbuds. These earbuds will give you a very premium listening experience, but then again, let me not shift focus. Let's go back to the casing again. With the casing, you're getting a USB-C charging adapter or charging port that will charge the casing from 0 to 100% in close to 50 minutes to an hour. The case gets uncomfortable at the point because of its design, and especially if you're somebody who wears shorts that have shorter pockets, you might encounter some issues with discomfort when you place them in your pockets. But then again, this shouldn't be a problem because if you're somebody who moves around with bags a lot, you can just pop it in your school bag or your bag with you and you're good to go. Now let's talk about the buds. Starting off, let's talk about connectivity. The buds would pair on opening via Bluetooth, and once it's connected, you're good to go. There is a bit of a problem I've encountered with my unit though. I don't know if it's a general problem, but when you pair it for the first time, there is a bit of a glitch that goes on in your left ear when you're pairing it with the left earbud. The right earbud tries to sync smoothly and it doesn't have any issues, but the left earbud struggles a little bit to get connected with the smartphone or the music you're listening to. You realize some glitches and hitches in there when you've paired the device. It's not a serious problem. I've realized that once it does that for the first time in the day, it doesn't continue any longer. I do think it might have something to do with Bluetooth connectivity and signal strength. Now let's talk about sound and design. The glossy finish with the Haylou inscription is something that really turns me on. The earbuds are something I really try finding myself using every day, but because of a bit of a discomfort with the default earbuds, I had to switch the medium ones they gave to us in the box. And yes, you are getting a pair of ear tips that will suit your comfort when you get these earbuds in the box. So I would advise you to try out the earbuds they come with, so you try the ones that would make you feel comfortable when you're using them. These fit perfectly in my ear. My time with it was always overwhelming. Now, with sound, there is a bit of a tweeter in there, but I don't sense that much of a woofer in terms of bassy sound. Although, if you try and then push the earbuds in very well, the silicone tip will give you that experience in a little bit, but not as active as the Samsung Buds 2 Pro or even the AirPods Pro. They're really good. If that is more of your concern, you shouldn't worry about that because it's okay and you can definitely get some bass in there, but not too much like you would expect. These ear tips give you a bit of noise cancellation experience, which is environmental noise cancellation as stated on their box specification. And what environmental noise cancellation basically means is that it cancels the environmental noise around you, but still makes you aware of your environment so you don't get lost when you're listening to music. The song immersion is there because the silicone tips, like I said earlier, gives you that immersion you need when you're listening to music. Now this device costs $35, so for such an experience, I think it's a great pair of earbuds. Overall, I'll give these earbuds an 8 over 10 because it still needs a little work to do, especially when it comes to giving us punchy bass when you're listening to music. I really love the Haylou W1 earbuds and I'll definitely recommend it to anyone who is looking at purchasing a budget level earbud. Now always remember, you're not going to get active noise cancellation, but you will get environmental noise cancellation on the Haylou W1 earbuds. I'm DELPPY and this has been my review about the Haylou W1 earbuds. Stay safe and I hope to catch you on consequent videos like these ones. Peace out. Consequent. Consequent. Is that a right word?